here is a problem. So first let me give the problem. Figure shows two large metal plates. Figure shows two large metal plates P1 and P2 tightly held against each other. Tightly held against each other. They are placed between two equal and unlike point charges. Two equal and unlike point charges. Perpendicular to the line joining them. Perpendicular to the line joining them. Figure shows two large metal plates P1 and P2 tightly held against each other. They are placed between two equal and unlike point charges perpendicular to the line joining them. Question number A. What will happen to the plates when they are released? What will happen to the plates when they are released? Question number B. Draw the pattern of the electric field lines for the system. Draw the pattern of the electric field lines for the system. I'll give you the figure also. Two plates P1 and then P2. So these are the given two plates P1 and P2, and then they are placed between 2 point charges perpendicular to the line joining them. So here the charge given is plus Q, and then here it is given minus Q. Now what will happen to the plates when they are released? Draw the pattern of the electric field lines of the system. So I'll write solution. So what will happen? Now what will happen to the plates when they are released? So we know when uncharged body is brought near to a charge, it will attract all the opposite charges to one side. It is called as electrostatic induction. So due to electrostatic induction, charge induces on the plates and the opposite nature of charge appears on the surface facing each other, and they start attract each other. So how now it will be? So I'll write here due to electrostatic induction or by electrostatic induction, charge induces on the plates. So nature of the charge can be shown as in this below figure. I'll write the figure now. We have plate P1. We have plate P1 and plus Q is here. So now what will happen? It will attract all the negative charges. So the plate, so the negative charge will be attracted by the plus Q charge. So this we will have on this side, left side, we will have all the negative charges. Then positive charges will accumulate on the other side. So this side will have positive charge. So all positive charge will accumulate on the right side. So you can draw this P1 with a little bit wider so that you can show minus and plus signs clearly. Now what happens to P2? I will draw P2 little wider so that I can mark plus and minus very clearly. So P2 is here. So we have charge minus Q. So because this is minus, all the positive charges are attracted towards it. So here this side all positive charge will be there. And all the negative charges will be on the other side. Now here this is plus and minus, so they start attracting each other. So by electrostatic induction, the charge gets induced in the plates, and it will be as shown in this figure. Now question number B asks us to draw the electric field lines. Let us try to draw the electric field lines for the system. Draw P1, P2, Q1 minus Q again. Now again I will draw here P1 little bit wider only, so that I can mark all the charges clearly. P1, P2, I'll mark the charges. Minus, 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 all minus. Here all plus. Here all minus. Here we have plus. we have plus q here and minus q on the other side. A uniform electric field will set up between these two plates P1 and P2. Remember, field lines must be perpendicular to the plates. So note, last class we have seen the field lines are perpendicular to the conductor. So field lines must be perpendicular to the plates. A uniform field, electric field sets up between the plates. That is why equidistance lines you can mark, and equidistant lines and which are parallel to each other. And we know the field lines start from positive and end at negative charge. So a uniform electric field sets up between the plates. So from plus q they will start so when they reach this conductor P1 they should be perpendicular. So you can mark like this. Similarly, field lines end at a negative charge. This is minus q. So this is minus q charge and they end at minus q. Remember, field lines must be perpendicular to the plates, and equidistant field lines exist between the two plates because a uniform field is set up between the plates.